Has anybody ever seen somebody shoveling snow with a metal pitchfork? So she is attempting to shovel snow with that metal pitchfork. Yeah. So these miniature giraffes she has, like that thing right there, their teeth don't drag in that stuff. That's white powdery substance, that snow. Yeah. I think she's about to give up on moving the snow and she's just gonna pile some hay up. Just look, watch. Oh God, them teeth are so close to the ground. Look at it, look at it. And about another millimeter, even that shorter one, even that one right there, well, look at it. Another millimeter and boy, them suckers be dragging. See, frostbit. You're looking at Krispy Kreme instead of just cream. I'm telling you. How's that pitchforking doing on that snow?
Not worth a shit.
Yeah. The entertainment of the day, lads, and ladies. The entertainment of the day.